So, good day everyone. I'm Kim J. Alingalan from this IT. So, karon kay magbuhatag kuan ng salary information using web form application. Ay VB.NET application. So, that's it. Mao na to. So, so nagamit ag diri kuan guys kanang OBS. Kay wala siya limit sa time. So, we start. So karon kay mag-uap atong gi-open kay VB Visual Studio 2022. So, din as you can see natay kuan diri form. So ato sa na siya i-wide ano building. Then and then next kay natay ibisihan ko kani salary information atong buhaton. So na 13 ka text box, then also 14 ka label. So 4 ka button and then 1 data grid view. So ang suot sa 1 data grid view kay kaning mga label niya nga na hanggang na salary ID, employee ID. So anstera. So first kay text box. Sa ari ka sa toolbox dun search text box. So if you want to get easy, so you can copy paste. You can click the Control C. So next is Control V to copy. Wait. So Control Z if you want to change. So copy. So that 3, 4. So as you can hear, so today is a rainy day. So it's already 12 a.m. in the morning. So maybe I sleepy. So that's why I'm lutang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, upit. Wait, ako na 10, 11, 12, 13.
Wala pa sa imong linya pa kay murag na board niya akong refresh. Mabigkosan ka, mag-overtime ka sa langit ba? Pero nga ng mga decision sa life.
So as you can see guys, so lisod siya kung walay mouse. So mag-need jud kag mouse para you can make easier. So next, kay nanamtay 13 ka text box. So next kay label. So kamo guys wala pa may label. So ayo sa charot. So copy paste na ni. So we make 14 label. So so as what I told you, so copy control C then control V. So mo na siya, masunod-sunod na siya. Sorry guys, the mouse is interrupting. So in short, nagbungbuang. Ay sorry. So hard to use this. No mouse pad. That's why Huwag ay so hard. 10, 11, 12, 13. So, 14 here, the salary information. So, next is, ato na sila i-rename. So, i-rename na sila na to. So, salary ID, employee ID. So, so, here, salary ID. So, next kay, bro, please. Sorry, sir. Someone is getting kiss me, so, asa bro? Yampi. Kaya ako nang lakan na. Isa na lang. O ikanila ko eh. Kamang tanda doon nga. Ano, ito kan gusto. Please. Yung ambil mo. Ambil nga. Ha? Sige bro. So we continue. So next is the here. The employee ID. Employee name. Payment mode. Next is account number bank. Sunod kay account number. Account number then bank. Then next is basic salary. Basic salary. Next is bonus. Then other salary. Next is bonus. Other salary. Education allow. Next kay house rent. House rent. Then medical. Medical. The next is total salary. Sag-una lang nato guys kay dugay sige tagbalik-balik buhat. Total salary. So here is the salary information. Salary information. So para madako na siya guys kay ato na siya sa bitaw na to. Kani. Ano? Not here. So kani. Back color. Custom. Okay. The next is ano niya ang katong font na to. Bitaw na tong font. bold, then 16. Para mudako siya. Mm. So, nanata guys. So, next, kaniya to ang button. Insert, search, and update, then delete. So, upat ka button. So, insert, search, update, delete. So, dire kay insert daw. So, insert, search, and then up imp ID. Add. So, next ay imp name. So, after we create the data grid view, guys, so we put the code insert. So first is double click. So here is makuha ang tag dim row as as string. So dim row as string. So equals then so after that is txt 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 basic salary ay so salary ID. So salary ID dot text and then txt imp ID dot text. So next is txt imp name. So after is that text ID imp name and then payment mode, then add txt payment. So this is payment dot text. Next is account number. Txt account num dot text. So next is bank txt bank txt bank dot text. So after is basic salary. So txt basic salary dot text. So after is bonus, so that's salary. So txt bonus dot text. So note is other salary. So txt other salary dot text. So after that is next is education allow. So txt edoc latex. Then after so next is edoc. So next kay house rent. So txt rent. So txt rent that text. Next is medical. So txt med that text. Next is total salary. So txt total salary that text. So as you can see 13 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So there are 13. So next here is close. So after that kay grid data grid u1 that rows that add after like that. So this just copy this and then change to text. Wait a okay. Change to clear. Right. Clear. So clear. Let's copy paste here. So oops. Oops. It's already here. Then so next kay guys kay arita sa tong search. So click the search and then ari na siya. So erase. So mag-dim ta dim row as string. So next is ay tiday gamit tag integer kay search man no integer. So after the integer kay equals integer. So equals integer so that row that index. So that's it. So exit, eh, exit sub. And if the next, so i-try daw. Paraan. Paraan ba siya? So as you can see, kay lagay guys. So paraan siya. Wala siya error. So we continue. So after this, next is so ari na ta sa tong delete. So same gyapon process. So dim search ID. So search ID daw. Mm, search ID as integer equals integer. So equals integer man. So mao nang ma-delete. So kari guys kay nagbuhat ta sa tong delete. Sorry guys kay ang video kay na-post niyang kuan, I don't know why. So delete. So after ning delete kay mm, message box delete. So after kay ana then message box buttons. So message box buttons, then okay. After sa okay kay message box icon, message box icon, dot information information. So information, so after that kay insub. So after sa insub, mm, so done. So as you can see kay para na ta. So salary ID 1 number, ID copy ng Kim. So payment mode is GCash. So account number is 1, bank is BDO. So bonus is pataka. House rent is 2 yan. Education allow 2 yan. So other salary is salary is kani. Basic salary is taka lang, medical. Ang ana total salary is, so atay try og insert. So as you can see kay ma-insert, so mag-try tag insert lain. So employee name kay J. So payment mo na GCash. Cash lang. So account number, bank, BDO, bonus, sorry. So, PDO. So, bonus. So, house rent, 2 yan. 2 yan. So, other salary, taka, additional low, 2, talaw, 2 yan. Basic salary, medical, medical na to kay, taka lang. So, na. So, insert. So, as you can see, na-insert siya. So, ato na siya i-try og search. So, ato na i-search itong ID kay 12131, 12131. So, as you can see, kay na-search man siya. So, man na. So, ato na siya try kaning delete. So, ato ni i-delete kaning usa, kaning una, 12231. 122, ay, 223. So, as you can see, na-delete. So, ato i-delete ang usa sad. 12131. So, as you can see guys, nakuan siya. So, that's all for today's video sa pagbuhat sa salary information. So, hope so ay hinaot nga naman na learn nagatuon na sa akong video. So, thank you.